Have me a... What's it, boys? Oh, yeah. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I got it too. I'll be 1037. It's a red motorcycle. I'm here at South B. I believe it's South 21st. It's a white little driver. Unknown 28. Looks like Florida 28. Speed 75. This residential area. I think it's about to wreck out. I'm in Boston now, heading towards Disneyland. It's 085 David George. 085 David George. White male with a white t-shirt, blue top. Turn on to Atlanta. South 21st. Back on the G-Land. Heading towards Boston, I believe. Speeds are 38. Still behind them. 18th and Boston. Heading towards Towson. Passing South 16th. Speeds are 45. They're stopped! They're stopped right now! They're stopped right now! Taser deployed, I got him. You better roll on your stomach, man.
I can't move.
Roll on your stomach now.
You're about to have a heart attack.
No, you're not. Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach now. Roll on your stomach now.
I'm trying.
Roll on your stomach.
I'm trying to.
He's still on the ground. He's just not rolling on.
Okay, here.
Roll on your stomach now.
I'm trying to.
Roll on your stomach. You're gonna get the ride. You're gonna get the ride again if you don't roll on your stomach.
I'm trying.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. See if you can get my advance. I'm not sure. We're in the field right now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now. If you move, you got that ride. You got that ride of lightning. You understand me? That can happen again. Okay. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, and then I'll get you up. Okay.
I believe they said 14th in Boston.
You got anything on you? Hey, put your hands behind your back. Put it on. I'm putting you in a position I can get you in handcuffs. Stop messing around. All right. Get up. Get up. We're gonna sit you up. We're gonna sit you up. We're gonna sit you up. Get up. Sit up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Get up. I'm 10-15 to release the tongue. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Get up, man. Come
you
on.
You're talking to me.
2 feet. You're breathing. Come on.
You're breathing.
In through your nose. Come on.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I put him up against my hood. I put him up against my hood.
You want EMS 19?
Yeah, if you don't. Good, man. You start.
Quit yelling and just take a breath.
Take a breath, man. You got. It's done. It's done. It's done.
Your dispatch officer now.
Hang on to him for a second. Stand up, man. Stand up.
Good stuff.
You're good. You're good, man.
We're good. We're in the ambulance going to check you out.
All right. Oh. You don't have anything on you? Do that.
Oh my God. I can't breathe.
Hey.
If you're doing that, you're breathing bad. Just
Watch your head. Hey. Watch out. Watch out.
You gotta get this off him.
You want a Coke?
Oh, we got it, man. Appreciate it, bro.
Of course, man.
Hey, we got an ambulance coming.
We got an ambulance coming.
Hey, slow your breathing. The more you do, that ain't gonna help you none. You got a wallet on you, Bart?
Hey, what's your name, man? You got a wallet? Was it green or?
I don't know.
Hey, man. That's fine. Hey, man. You got a wallet on you?
Come back to a red Ninja.
You're fine. You're fine. Why'd you run, man? You got a warrant. Sit up. Sit up.
Sit up, man. It'll be
Sit
good
up.
for you. Come on.
Sit up.
It'll be good for you.
Sit up. Sit up.
It'll be good for your breathing.
Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
What?
Call return for Kawasaki DX.
Yeah, we're gonna get you in the back seat.
We're gonna get you in the back seat.
Come on.
You gotta sit up.
Staying with us.
Stand
Come on.
up.
Breathe.
Stand up. I'm not gonna walk you over there. You're gonna have to walk yourself, okay? Stand up over there. Stand up, man. Stand up. Look, man, the reason why you're breathing like this is because you got popped with about 150,000 volts of lightning, okay? So stand up, okay? We've all been popped with it. It sucks. Stand up. It's over. Stand up. It's over. Stand up.
Dude, we're gonna get you in the cold AC, but you gotta work with us.
Yeah.
It's cold in there.
Stand up, man. You can breathe. You're talking to me. You're breathing out your mouth and out your nose. Stand up. Yeah, just
Dog your head.
yeah. Hey, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Stuck on some
Oh,
There you go.
yeah. Watch your head. Yeah, watch your head. There you go. Yeah.
You may get it.